Hello! Tonight I'm going to show you my new toy. My new train car that came in tonight. And, not tonight, but today. And here it is. It's the Styrofoam boxcar. Just kidding. Just kidding, it's a different train car than anything. It is the one and the only, if you've ever bought these from Bradford Exchange, I think they're from, or Hamilton Collection. The one and the only train. It's an add-on to the Star Wars train I have. It's the third car. And this car is try and get in there. The Darth Vader boxcar. The coach car. And this thing is big. I'm not kidding. I can't even get... I'm recording this on my phone. I can't even get in the picture. That's how big it is. Yeah, wonderful artwork. Nice black and red. Pictures of the stormtroopers. Darth Vader with his lightsaber. The ominous silhouette of Darth Vader. His name all spazzed out and everything. This is an eye-popping car. Another picture of Darth Vader with his lightsaber next to the Death Star being blown up. Anyway, this is a wonderful looking car. I love this car. Now, I'm new to this HO train scale stuff. When I was looking through cars, when I was looking for trains onto this, I came across this place called Hamilton Collection. Let's see, where's the box say? Who's it from? Who's it from? Who's it from? Oh! Hawthorne Village. Hawthorne Village and Bradford Exchange and Hamilton Collection. These train cars are kind of pricey. I think this one was probably about $80. But anyway, without the, if it's $80, it's worth it. It is big though. It's so big that it can't even fit on one. It's more than 11 inches. It's almost a foot long. See, these are standard EC HO scale tracks that from Bachmann. And this one is over 11. Say it's about 11 and a half. Close to that. But let's take a look inside. Inside there are seats. Nice red inside. This is basically the red's supposed to represent the Sith and everything. But the red, we're kind of seeing inside of Darth Vader's helmet. What the red would be inside his helmet, those black eyes that his mask has. Basically, when he sees us, we're all red. I'm not going to get into Darth Vader's helm because that's something I don't know about what's in his helmet, basically. But I know, seen in the Episode 3 movie, he sees redness. So when we look at him, he sees us in red. So anyway, I wanted to bring this out. Let's see if I can turn this thing around. Turn it around. It's the same picture, same thing. Yeah, it's just reverse sides of art. And if I remember so in the thing, thinking about it, it glows in the dark, I think. I don't know if we can see that glow stuff on here. Yeah. I'm not getting it. There's not enough light in here. If I had black light on here, I wouldn't. It'd be easy. But I don't. So anyway. Yeah. Now I got 2 more other trains coming soon. I got 2 other trains coming, different styles. It's different styles. One's excuse me, I didn't mean to burp that way. The other one is the other 2 trains. One's a Budweiser train. I had that ordered last week. It still hasn't came in the mail yet. And the next thing is, it's a Kiss train. Yeah, the rock band Kiss. They have a train. An actual scale train. And I looked on their site on there. I had my dad call, and they said, you know, we got that train coming. As soon as it's ready, we will send you the first piece if you want to order one. I said to him, yeah, order them. I'll be able to now have up to 5. And I ordered my 6th one today in the mail. And it's a Silver Moon train coming soon. But anyway, yeah. And this box right here is just don't remember what this is. This one right here is, okay. This is just the terminal. This is the terminal. And this is the power. I got the terminal and the power pack today also. So yeah. More train updates will come to there. Just as soon as I get this train layout. I'll show you as soon as I get this train layout. Not the building process, but pictures after table's built. So yeah, check this out when it's ready. Bye.